Probably have seen different icons on different websites. Icons are used to represent items on websites, and they are usually very beautiful on websites. So how do they add icons to web pages? There are different ways of adding icons. You could have your own image in which you call on a page. But there are standard libraries out there where you can just pull in to define your own icon on the page. For example, on this screen, we have different icons, which are not actually images, but they are just icons pulled in from different resources. So there are different standard icons on the internet. Among them is Fontawsome. This is one of the, I can even say, it's the commonest font icons on the internet. It allows you to pull in icons, different icons, beautiful icons on your web pages like these. If I come to the icon section of this Fontawsome, then I can see the different icons they have. Then we can search for a particular one. For example, if I type in Facebook, so this is going to give us Facebook icons, the different ones. Then if I type in Twitter, then we have the Twitter icon and a lot of them. There is another one which is different from Fontawsome. There is the Bootstrap icon. The Bootstrap icon allows you to pull in Bootstrap defined icons, and then Bootstrap icons, we have that, and these are the icons. You have all of them here. You can also search. And there is one more, which is the Google icon. If you just check Google icons, then this will give you the different icons that you can use on your web pages. And in this lesson, I'm going to implement just the Fontawsome. All other icons follow the same procedure, and I'm going to show you how we came about this icon on our web page. So let's take a look at the Fontawsome website. You have to register on Fontawsome and have an account there. From there, you would have your own defined URL in which you can just pull it into your project. You already know how to add scripts to the head section of your website. Then all you need to do is just to copy this line of code, which is saying that it's just a script that has all the icons you would be needing for your project. They can pull it in your website. So let's go back to our code, and then in our HTML head section, now we can pull in whatever we copied from that section to this section. How you have the script to be this link, and that is all you need. So once you have done that, the next thing is to pick your selected icon. If you need to pull in this icon, you already have the name. The name is space. Then you go back to your HTML page. You add icons to web pages by putting them in a class of fast. If you are using Fontawsome. If you're using the Google icon, you would, instead of using fast, you would use material icons. And then if you're using something else, something like Bootstrap, you would be using glyphicons instead of fast. So each of the libraries have their own way of adding icon. You can read them from their web pages. So we have our I is just the I tag, just something like this. And within the first opening I tag, you type in the class. Then the class must contain fast, F-A-S, which is the first thing, followed by a space, then far dash the name of the icon. So in this case, we have the far of heart, meaning that we want to put in the heart color, the heart icon on the page. Here we have the far car, meaning that you want to put in the car icon on your page. And here I'm going to put in I think we checked Facebook the other time. Twitter. Okay, so we have Twitter, so I can just type in far Twitter and I save the page. So let's go back to my HTML page and reload. Now we have these icons to be showing on our page. And then one more thing. I didn't put in my style sheet. Okay, so you have this. So here you have the heart icon. Here you have the car icon, the document icon, and the last one to be the bus icon.